Mr. Wartsky here again. Welcome to the fifth screencast in the chemistry series. Chemistry. But today we're going to talk about pH and dissociation. It's going to be a quick jaunt through pH. Hopefully you covered it in chemistry. Now, many substances dissociate in water. That's what water does. Remember, it pulls things apart due to polarity. When a substance dissociates or falls apart and gives off hydrogen ions, it is called an acid. So an acid will increase the hydrogen ions of a solution. Remember, that's what we're measuring, the number of hydrogen ions in a solution. When bases dissociate, when things called bases dissociate, they release hydroxyl ions or OH minus ions. Bases can also decrease the number of hydrogen ions in a solution. Yep, they can, because the negatively charged grab the positively charged proton of the H plus and decrease in hydrogen ions. Now, salt. The hydrogen ions of an acid is replaced by another cation, positively charged ion, because H plus positively charged cation. So that's an acid, a base, and a salt. And I'm thinking, okay, let's review. Now, the acidity or alkalinity of a solution is known as pH. Now, for the life of me, I didn't know what pH was for the longest time. It means or stands for pouvoir hydrogène, which is French for hydrogen power, or the power of hydrogen. Now, pH is equal to the negative log of the hydrogen ion concentration. Now, if you don't understand that, please ask me tomorrow in class. I'll be more than happy to explain it to you. But we're looking at the negative log of the hydrogen ion concentration. So if the scale goes from 0 to 14, right? And we know that 7 is neutral. So the hydrogen ion concentration of a solution that is 7 is 1 times 10 to the negative 7. If a solution has a pH of 4, it's the number of hydrogen ions in that solution is 1 times 10 to the negative 4th. Now, if we compare 1 times 10 to the negative 4th with 1 times 10 to the negative 7th, the solution that has the most hydrogen ions is a 1 times 10 to the negative 4th, which means that it is most acidic. So actually, the lower number, the higher the concentration of hydrogen ions. That seems so counterintuitive. We say, which is the most acidic? And you say a pH of 1 versus a pH of 5. The pH of 1 is the most acidic of the two solutions. Does that make sense? I hope so. Now, a buffer, and these are biologically important molecules, a buffer takes up or releases hydrogen ions or hydroxyl ions, and this is to maintain the pH of the environment, to maintain homeostasis. Right, so that's what buffers are there for. And we can talk about this more in class if you're confused. Just make a note of it, and then you can ask a question. And actually, this is it for chemistry. Now you are ready for your first AP biology test, which will be on chemistry. We'll talk about this tomorrow in class. This is the fifth chemistry screencast in a series. Have fun.